back to the channel. It's your girl Veronica, and today I'm coming at you guys with an Adore Me haul. So today's haul is definitely going to be consisting of a whole bunch of products that I ended up getting because I did a photo shoot event with them for TikTok, and then I also went to their influencer event this past Friday, which was super exciting. I really had a great time, and I'm just honestly so thankful that they were my first event and brand to really work with in person, because I haven't actually ever had that opportunity and hand in hand, especially in New York City. It was just such a great experience, and I'm so happy that I was able to partake in it. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, Desta. Thank you, Jacob. Thank you, everyone, for choosing me and allowing me to be a participant in everything that you guys are doing. I really believe in it, and I'm just so thankful. For one of the packages, we can start with the event, the influencer event. I ended up getting this two-piece set. It was a collaboration with Adore Me X Sanctuary World, and basically it's all about astrology and everything like that. It's like in the stars, you know, manifestation, all those things, and I just felt like it really aligned with me because everything that was happening was just in so much alignment. But I ended up getting this two-piece set. I thought this was really cute. We have a square neckline, we have these little bell cuffs here, and the pants are super stretchy. This one is actually going to be in a size 4X, so I'm just going to put you down just a little bit. And the pants here, the pants are obviously like super stretchy, and you kind of can see that they faded because obviously my thighs don't lie. But overall, they're super cute. Lots of ruffle detailing on the shirt, which is really nice. I really do like this set. I think it's just perfect for bedtime. It's so comfortable, and I really just like the style of it. I think it's practical, you know what I mean? So it's just an everyday wear, and honestly just overall feels like super comfortable. Next thing I ended up getting was this bustier. I think this is actually a corset top, and you guys, their corset tops are so phenomenal. Like, I feel like they can fit anyone. I believe I'm either wearing a 3X or 4X in this. And I didn't tie up the strings. You can literally get the figure going. And I really like this because of all the detailing. So we have like mesh, lining, we have lots of lace, we have like this very sturdy corset feel right in front and center, so you do not feel like it's gonna pop off. And especially when you like tie this and really get a good snatch in, it's gonna feel really, really good. It also does come with a G-string. I love this. I think this is so cute. It's definitely covering just a little bit, but this is ideally what it looks like, so use your imagination. It has a lace detailing and then a soft fabric, and then of course that D-string is just a little tee. You know the deal, you know the deal. But I thought this was like perfect. Like, if you use your imagination, y'all, you guys can definitely see what's going on here. And I thought this was just like the cutest little set ever. I feel like except with corsets too, because they are such a thing. You can also wear them, you know, with jeans or with pants, skirts, anything, and kind of dress up the outfit. So there's a lot of opportunity with a beautiful corset such as this. This is definitely also perfect for the colder months. So if I am going out with friends, I can definitely just pop this on, call the day, put on maybe my leather jacket, you know what I mean? Just to kind of give you guys a visual. But I really do think that their corset tops are just super sexy. They're literally perfect. They are universal in the closet, and I really do like that. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I would do. Like, dress this up, especially with some like leather pants and some booties. Oh my God, this would be so freaking cute. And it's definitely something that you can, you know, size to your liking because of the back string. Obviously mine are more open, but if it looks this good up front, imagine how good it's gonna look when I get this tied up and ready to go. You know what I'm saying? So definitely a really good keeper. I love, love, love this corset. I think it's so dreamy and so beautiful, and definitely one that's going to stay in the closet for a very long time. So highly recommend. So I can't tie this up right now because the back is tied and it's just going to be a mumbo jumbo situation. But this is the next thing that I was given, and this was and this is a bustier. It also comes with a pair of undies that are actually in the laundry right now. I have no idea where they are, but this is literally just so cute. I love the lace detailing. The fabric is very, very form-fitting. I did wear this in one of their videos. I will show a clip here from a video I took of it on secured and closed. But you guys, like, it has a zipper up here, so that means that you can essentially fix this to your liking and zip it up. I believe this is considered a bustier. It has these strings here so you can tie them to your stockings. You can do whatever you please. This is super gorgeous. Love, love, love this. I love the print. The print is so pretty, so sexy. You can wear this up, you can dress it down, dress it up, whatever the case may be. Like, absolutely love. And on the Adore Me's website, you can like literally pick up any pair of panties and mix and match to your liking. So with this bustier here, so with this bustier here, you can literally just pick up a pair of panties that match with it. If you don't like the one that comes with it, like, you are good to go. So there's definitely lots of options to go with the bustiers if you're trying to be sexy and get a little matching set, or if you're just simply trying to wear it out as a top. Like, it's so sexy, they're so cute, they're so form-fitting. Highly recommend this one. Love it. I don't show y'all too much. And then the lace is back here, so it's definitely a keeper in my book. I really do like it, and I think ideally it's a great pairing. So highly recommend this bustier as well, because it's just so cute, so sexy, fun, all that. So another way, if you really want to enjoy this print, is this top here. This bra. Put the correct sizing in the description. But you guys, their bras are so sturdy, so good, so forgiving, and I really do love the way that they fit, because there's like no plunge or nothing crazy like that. Ideally, their bras are very comfortable. I feel like the padding doesn't allow you to sweat as much, and it really keeps you dry, which is something I really love about it. And as you can see, it matches the bustier, so if you were looking to kind of have multiple pieces of the same, you can also do that as well, which is why I really do enjoy having Adore Me products, because you can mix and match anything in their collections. And I don't know, ideally it's just a really good piece. So if you're looking just for a comfortable bra, I would say highly recommend. Make sure you size yourself, because once you get your size, you're gonna literally want all of their bras, from the comfortable ones to the everyday ones to, like, I don't know, everything. Out of the bustier sets, I would say this is definitely the easiest one that I was able to put on. It's a little bit more forgiving, a little bit stretchy, and it also still looks really good on the body. I love this one because it's kind of form-fitting and short-cut, so you can definitely wear this as an everyday top and feel really comfortable while doing so. It does come with a pair of green mesh undies, which are super beautiful. I really do love these. I felt like they covered just enough of the lower belly, and it overall felt very good to wear. So this is the detailing that's on it. It really goes hand in hand with the bustier, and it just really makes sense as far as the color and contrast. The mesh detailing of the panty was definitely stretchy. It felt like it, I don't know, I just feel like their products are very much quality rather than just quantity, so you're definitely getting your money's worth out of it. As far as this portion though, you're definitely not getting any boob lifting, but you're just gonna have to place them as much or as nicely as you like them. So if you're looking for bustiers, like, girl, just get one. Like, literally pick one and just get it, because their stuff is so comfortable, so cute. They frame the body so well. This is what this one looks like in the back. So you're definitely getting just a little bit of this, but it just feels so good. So if you can find another color of this, or even wear this one, I would say highly recommend it as a t-shirt, or highly recommend it as a top, because it definitely gives that flavor. It definitely gives you a little bit more. It has a lot more attitude. If you are one of those girls that goes to those events, like the Renaissance events, girl, I found the one for you. So highly recommend. They go to a size 4X. They're super comfortable. If you have like double or triple D boobs, just go for the 4X if you're like sort of my size, you know what I mean? So yeah, girl, super cute, love this, highly recommend. Okay, so next up we have this pretty gem as well. I believe this is a bustier or a corset. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. I think this might just be a bustier. I don't know. But this is also cute too. I love this one too because it's easy to put on as well. So this one has the Santa bow because, you know, I'm a present. Christmas is here. You know the deal. And I feel like this one is definitely for like perfect for the holidays. I felt like I should have wore this to the event and I didn't because I thought this was like so cute. And this is actually the first video that was featured on the Adore Me TikTok. And I just like, oh my god, girl, like that's you. That is you. And I absolutely love it. It's so stretchy around the waistline area, like the belly area. It definitely has some compression here that kind of just makes the bustier or corset, whichever, look really, really nice. And then this bow detailing, and it hugs the boobs really well. It's sitting really nice, and it does have a lift because there is a line in there. And then this is what it looks like in the back. With this mesh detailing, it just makes it very, very comfortable, and I really do like that. So I would highly, of course, recommend this as well. It also did come with a panty. I believe this is it. I believe it's the crotchless. So it does come with this panty. I'm pretty sure it's this panty. If not, I don't know if it's the mesh one I showed you guys earlier or this one, but either way, I mean, it still goes. And this panty here is really, really cute because it's definitely the same kind of material, and it has a bow in. I'm just gonna show you guys really quickly. It has a bow in the back, and it's bootyless, you know what I'm saying? Like crotchless, bootyless, whatever. And it is so freaking cute. It definitely goes into like this whole, it just ties it really well together, and it's so, so sexy. So I would highly recommend that if that's something you want to go for. And then of course, as well, if you wanted something that's more secure and everyday, you could just pick up the regular panty. It does cover the lower belly well for me, and you probably will see that on Instagram or TikTok or whichever. But it is so, so, so comfortable, so, so, so cute. Absolutely love the feel of this one. Definitely would wear this out for the holidays, even with like a long sleeve or a short sleeve or like a skirt. Oh my god, with my leather jacket. I have some ideas for this, so maybe we'll do some outfit videos for this holiday, maybe next weekend. Alrighty, so the next one I wanted to share with you guys is this one in particular, which is just like a bra version of the bustier corset situation here. And I really do like this one as well because it's super easy to put on. Again, very stretchy and very comfortable. It does, however, have a mesh detailing right under here, so you can see a nib or two, but for the purposes of this video, y'all ain't gonna see nothing. And I absolutely think this is so cute. It is so pretty. I love the bow tie. It kind of hides the mesh detailing. As a little surprise, you can actually untie this bad boy and you can see everything, but we ain't gonna do that for the tube, if you know what I mean. But this one's really cute. I really do like this. It's very comfortable. You can also pair it up with these same undies as well, which is definitely very sufficient for the look of them. So if you're having some sexy time, y'all, this is gonna be the one for you. I really do love the top. I feel like it kind of holds everything in as much as it can, to be honest. I do have a fat back, so it is what it is. But I feel like overall it feels very well on the body, and it looks very pretty as well. So if you are looking for something just a little bit more simpler, maybe not with all the bustier detailing, this might be the one for you. It's very cute, it's very pretty, and the little mesh surprise right under is super sexy, which I really do love. So yeah, this one is really nice too. Y'all gonna be seeing everything on TikTok, but y'all ain't gonna see everything right here on my tube, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, definitely love this. Definitely think it's so cute. Highly recommend. Oh my god, I just love everything, everything that I got, literally everything. But as you can see, this is giving Mrs. Santa Claus, Mrs. Sexy Santa Claus, and I really do like this fit. The bra fits beautifully. We do have this little fur detailing, so it's definitely giving I'm Mrs. Claus. And then we have these no crotch thongs. This is super cute too. Absolutely love it. I'm not wearing it for the tube, you know what I'm saying? But it's definitely very, very sexy. This is the back portion. So if you are looking for that moment, girl, get it, just get it. If you are looking for something just a little bit more sexy, this is the one. I'm gonna put my size down for this one as well. They got all my sizes. Oh, maybe a 42 triple D. It's just so comfortable. It's so comfortable. The bras are always so comfortable. I feel like the straps too never indent into the arm, the shoulders, and it just feels really, really cute on. But like with this panty, can you imagine a little sexy mama could do? Like this is so freaking cute. Like I absolutely love it, and it's giving Mrs. Santa Claus. So yeah, highly recommend. I recommend everything that I got, and then I'll show you guys the last thing that I got because I'm gonna wear this all tonight. I'm just gonna put this on. I absolutely love their sets. When there's one thing about Adore Me is that everything is just like super comfortable. Everything's form-fitting. Everything fits literally perfectly for you. So if you are out looking for a little adventurous time, you want to have more sexy items in your wardrobe, or you just want to feel up to beat and have matching sets and really want to just, I don't know, just feel put together, Adore Me is going to have all of them. They go up to a size 4X, y'all. So if you are a plus size girl, extra small to a 4X, you're going to find something that you absolutely love. And you guys can use my link below. It's definitely going to help you girl out, of course. But this video was not sponsored. This is literally just all... I say this all the time and time again. I absolutely love their products. It's nothing new. Sometimes the products fit, sometimes they don't. All of this just so happens to fit really well. And that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you guys are looking for additional pieces to add to your closet, make sure you check out Adore Me. Make sure you check them out. There's just so many options and so many things on their site now as they've come together and really showed forth what are and how they look and how they size on plus size bodies. Like, it's truly amazing what they are doing for our community and how they are contributing. So if you are in the know, or if you are in the market for some lingerie pieces or for corsets, bras and panties, comfortable wear, lounge wear, pajamas, I'm telling you right now, Adore Me is going to be the place you want to shop. So if there's any questions or concerns or anything like that, please let me know. Drop them down in the comments and I'll be sure to answer. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really had a great time at the event, as well as our content creation shoot. I just really feel like being a part of a community where bodies like mine are accepted is just truly remarkable, and it really just puts forth on how I feel about like the brand itself, because I feel recognized, I feel appreciated, and I feel like my voice and body matters. So if you are in the know, or if you are looking for the latest pieces, please make sure to check out Adore Me. They are doing the right things. They're consistently trying to get it right every single time. That's it for this video. Comments, questions, everything in the description. You already know the deal. I'll check you guys out in the next one. Bye.